Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I have a 2010 Hyundai Genesis Coupe and I will show you how you can fold the rear seats. Now most of the coupes usually don't have this option, but these Hyundais do. Okay, now to fold this back seat you'll actually have to open the trunk. And here in the trunk, in the upper right corner, you will have this small lever to pull. And when you pull it, that's gonna release the back seat, and then you'll be able just to fold it down and get a bit more cargo space down here. So if I go inside, okay, let me try to squeeze myself in there. And now you can just pull this all the way down. It goes almost all the way down to 90 degrees, so now you have a bit more space if you have to drive something bigger in the trunk, and then you can use that small opening right here to get some space. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.